How to apply for Grabfood Rider. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to apply for Grabfood Rider. First, open up your web browser and type in Grab Rider in the search bar. After that, tap on this link. To apply, ensure you meet the basic requirements. Make sure you're at least 18 years old. You will need a smartphone with internet, a valid driver's license for a motorcycle or bicycle, and a vehicle that meets Grab standards. Here, you can see the advantages, such as choosing when, where, and how often you want to make deliveries. Next, tap on the Sign In button. After that, you'll be asked to fill out an application form. This form typically requires personal information such as your name, contact details, and address. You also have to provide information about your vehicle and upload documents such as your ID, driver's license, vehicle registration, and insurance. Depending on your location and the requirements, you may need to undergo some training sessions. Once approved, you will receive confirmation from Grab, often via email or through the application. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.